Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Did you know your Windows PC has built-in diagnostic tool? Even if your PC is running fine right now, how do you actually know that every single file inside your Windows is authentic and untouched or without any corruptions? So today I'm going to show you the secret hidden tool which can scan all the files, and this will run the deep health audit on your system. No third party app, no extra download, just this is the inbuilt tool that called the sigverif. Sigverif stands for signature verification, and this tool is for verification check on your Windows. This tool acts like digital detective, checking every critical file on Windows. Every time Microsoft updates Windows, they digitally sign their core files to guarantee their integrity, but over the time installing random software and apps, tweak or update can sometimes alter these files. So this tool we can just copy and paste and open the run command here. Simply copy and paste this command sigverify and press OK. Then click on start. So now you will see here the result like this. So you can cross check the files here, which is showing the following files have not been digitally signed. So you can go to the location, look for that specific file or folder and see the file if that is legit or not. So you can look for the options here, override existing file logs, and then click on view logs, and this will show you all the details here. Microsoft signature verification, sigverif. And all the details you can see here. This is full report. So this is the complete result of the sigverif, and this is normal. Sometime 1 to 2 files may be unsigned, but if there is more than 2 to 3 files, then you can recheck all the files and you can repair them with the help of this command. Open the cmd edge admin and type here sfc /scan now, and this will scan the file system corruption on your Windows. And then after that, rerun this test sigverif and see the difference. If still face any issues, you can recheck all the drivers one by one here, which is flagged as not digitally signed, and you can check on the AI or internet if these are legit or not. They can harm your computer or not. By this way you can keep your PC secure and safe. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.